What's up? Right now, I was sitting here working on the wiring or whatever, trying to finish cleaning it up, and a package came. So I'm gonna show y'all what it is. We're gonna open it together right now. So we got a new package for the car, and I'm finishing up the wire. And here's the wire that's still a mess. It was all bunched up. The big bundle was right here. I was cleaning that up so I could have more to run to the alternator and all that. Got to connect these back together. These are grounds. I stripped them off because I didn't know if they were soldered under here or what. So they connected pretty good. I was going to put heat shrink over them, but I can't separate them to put the heat shrink. So instead of doing that, I'll just wrap them back with electrical tape. Then I'll put some of that back around it. But go ahead and crack it open and show y'all. The rest of this should be here, I think Wednesday they said. So let's see what it is. Dumbass razor blade, man. Gotta use this one, that shit is dull. Here we go. Boom. Oh shit. Yeah. Some ox beam headlight bulbs. Now these are supposed to be freaking instead of those HID ones. See, those are the LED ones. I'm gonna go ahead and pick a battery up this week so I can go ahead and turn it on and let y'all see. Yeah, these go right into the MR2. You have to do no wiring, no none of that. It bolts right into the or fit right into those housings that you could order off eBay, that's the one I got. Ordered the housing off eBay, and they should be here this week. So when that comes, we'll install those. But for now, let's see what comes in the package. You get basically all the information from Oxbeam. You get the little warranty information as well, all the little warranty stuff. You get the review on your product, how to install it. Basically, product information and all that. Basically directions, that's what it is. You get the directions on it. Then they give you a cool little Oxbeam sticker. I might stick this in my trunk or something. It's pretty dope though. If they sent me two, I would put one on each side of the window, but they only sent me one. Oh, this shit don't even fit in this box. Sent me one. And then it's packaged fairly good. See, it's all boxed in there. It's packaged really, really good. And then now these are what they look like. This is exactly what you get. It's basically high and low beam. They're supposed to last a couple years. Supposed to last a long time actually. But it's fairly simple to install. It's just plug and play. It's going to plug right into your old harness. I'll go ahead and check it here in a second to see if it actually works. But it's supposed to plug right into your old harness. LED basically replaces those HID. You don't have to worry about that ballast and all that extra shit. So I can tell my car is obviously all torn apart, so my wires are just zip tied under here right now. I'm just hiding them and keep them out of the way. We're just going to double check to make sure these aux beams will plug and play right into the MR2 headlights. Look at that. Plugs right into the old wiring for the MR2. Probably hard to see, but it plugs right into that wiring for that MR2 off the MR2 wiring harness. No. I don't break this shit. Go and clip it. Alright, got it down. So yeah, these are it. It's plug and play. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys that have MR2s want to order them. But it's gonna plug and motherfucking play. You get the H4 ones. The H4 is the high end of low beams. But yeah, for now, we got parts slowly rolling in. We're gonna get the car up and running soon. Got a few more things I gotta order. I got a lot of stuff I gotta order actually. So this right here is just something off the list. These are only 30 bucks. I was gonna spend 60 bucks on a pair of headlights. Then might as well get these LED bulbs. I'm gonna go to the store, go to O'Reilly's and spend 60 bucks on like regular bulbs. Just get these LEDs off Amazon for 30 bucks for both of them. And then 20 bucks for the housing for the MR2. And boom, you got a set of headlights.